Hey guys, welcome to Learn and Enjoy Kitchen. I'm Azadeh and today we're gonna learn how to cook Kookoo Sabzi. You don't need too many ingredients to make this recipe and it's suitable for vegetarians. You can eat it with rice or with bread. But before we start, subscribe our channel and hit the bell to get informed of our latest videos. The ingredients are vegetables containing dill, leek, parsley, coriander and garlic 500 grams, 3 eggs, crushed walnuts 2 tablespoons, barberry 1 tablespoon, yogurt 2 tablespoons, wheat flour 1 tablespoon, salt and black pepper as you need, turmeric and cinnamon powder as you need. First of all, chop all the vegetables very finely. If the amount of leek and garlic is more than other vegetables, this meal will be more delicious. You should chop garlic separately because its texture is different from other vegetables. After you chop the vegetables, saute them in a pan so that they lose their extra juice and the volume of the vegetables reduces. Since in this stage we don't use oil, we need to stir the vegetables continuously. After the volume of the vegetables reduces, you can put them aside to cool down. Meanwhile, take a large bowl, break the eggs in it, and whisk them till completely mixed. When the eggs thicken, add some yogurt and spices. Salt, black pepper, turmeric, and a little cinnamon powder. Add a little wheat flour and mix well. Stir till all the spices mix well with the eggs. Adding flour is in order to stick the ingredients together. When all the ingredients are mixed well and the vegetables cool down, we can add the vegetables to other ingredients and stir till mixed completely. Put a pan on the stove, add some oil and heat it. The oil should be very hot, otherwise our kookoo will stick to the pan and we can't turn it over. half of the ingredients to the pan with hot oil in it and flatten it with a spatula. Why half of the ingredients? Because we want to add barberry and walnuts to it. If we mix walnuts and barberry with other ingredients, they will settle at the bottom and burn. So first, add half of the ingredients, put the lid, and when the ingredients are slightly stuck together, it's time to add crushed walnuts and barberry as you want. Then add the rest of the ingredients on top and flatten it with a spatula. Put the lid and let cook on low heat. Now you can turn it over. Add a little oil to the pan again and let the other side of our kookoo cook. Dear friends, this was today's delicious kookoo. I hope you cook it and enjoy it with your family. Don't forget to follow us on other social networks and recommend our channel to your friends. Till next video, goodbye.